I've got another quick fix for you today. This is on a 2011 Ford Explorer. And what's happened is the 12-volt power outlet is broken. What happened in this case was there was a accessory plugged into it, which makes it hang out much further. Someone let the seat down without turning the headrest, and when it hit this, it caused this to break. Since this one's already broke, I'm going to disconnect from the power source. On the bottom there is a button. Press and it slips right off. This black piece that you can see is what's left of the broken part. There's a couple different ways to get it off. Inside there are two tabs, one on each side, and you can push on these while pushing down. Since this was already broken, I came to this side of the tab and just pry it up on the tabs. Kind of bent them out of shape, not too worried about it. Then it'll slide right off and you can replace it with your new Ford part. This is the Ford part number. All you have to do is slide, I want to call this a cigarette lighter, but it's really not anymore. Slide this into place and it has a groove that you can match up. There we go. Pops right into place. Put your plug back in. And then it'll slide right into place. Before I pop it in, for those who may be just removing this and wanting a little instruction, there are two retaining tabs. One on the top, one on the bottom. So if you were needing to remove this, you would want to very carefully get behind this with a flat head and push those tabs down and make it pop out. There we go. And this one's ready for service again. Hopefully several more years of service. Hope this video helps. If it does, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.